Hello, this is Vivek Snee from Nimbus School of Education, B.Ed 2019-21 batch. As on 31st of July 2012, our Nimbus College got affiliation for B.Ed. So on this occasion, I would like to share my experience at Nimbus School of Education. I remember on 10th of September 2019, I joined Nimbus School of Education as a first year student of B.Ed 2019-21 batch. I was too late to join the college as I was preparing for CDS examination, so that was the reason to being late in the college. I was astonished at the conductance of morning assembly in college, which I never heard in colleges generally. I thought morning assemblies are mandatory only in schools until I pursued B.Ed. I completed my graduation from DAV PG College, Dehradun, and I never attended any lecture of any professors. So I used to go to a library, that is why I was not habitual of regular classes. But the scenario in B.Ed was different. Surprisingly, I did those tasks which were not my cup of tea actually. I remember there was a Hindi week, and on 14th of September there was Hindi Pakhwada. So on this occasion, our HOD ma'am, Dr. Alka Gaur, decided to conduct a street play, which we usually call Nukkad Natak. And I told HOD ma'am that this is out of my comfort zone. And I remember in between the lectures, ma'am made me remind this dialogue a lot of times. And I told Madam Ji directly that it will be not easy for us to prepare street play within 2 to 3 days. Fortunately, we have done that. And at that moment, I came to know that she is HOD of B.Ed department because of her never quitting attitude. Debate competition, presentations after completion of every unit, speeches in the memory of our national freedom fighters, freshers party, children's day. We had a lot of opportunities to exhume our latent skills and highly qualified professors to guide ourselves. Our professors did their best and so did we. From this college, I learned to stay positive, whatever the condition is. And I must say, positivity is a panacea, which can solve all the problems of our life. I am habitual of reading books, so there are my two favorite books which I consider as a confidence booster books. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy, The Power of Self-Confidence by Brian Tracy. These are American writers and is a very good book for positivity. Talking about some precious moments which I had spent in Nimbus School of Education. Actually, every moment in this college was precious for me, but some are more precious as our batch brought laurels for our B.Ed department a lot of times. I remember it was 2nd of October 2019, Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti, when our batch totally dominated the stage and I too performed well. Our professors, directors of Nimbus School of Education applauded us for our better performances. On 9th of October 2019, debate competition was conducted and again we performed ferociously. I was the one who secured first position against the motion. It was 18th of October 2019, there was a freshers party. For the first time I participated in dance and I was astonished at my performance as I am a very bad dancer. My seniors gave me tasks to dance wearing ghungru, and from that time, I'm scared of ghungru. I was looking out and out buffoon at that time, but as a reward, I became center of attraction, Mr. Fresher. That was an unforgettable moment for me. Usually, blessings of our elders works as a remedy for us. It was 29th of November 2019 when I went to HOD office for 10 days study leave. As my competitive exam was near, it was defense examination. Some of my kith and kins told me that I was wasting my time as 10 days were not sufficient to crack any examinations. But my family and teachers are always there by my side and that's what I needed. HOD ma'am praised me and wished me success. As a result, because of their support and wishes, that exam had been cracked. It was 14th of Feb 2020. Usually, which is known as Valentine's Day for others, but memorable day for me because it was my result day. There were some unforgettable memories that I have spent there, that I have created there. Generally, we make friends in college life and have our favorite teachers, but this college has a different scenario. Here, we all live like a family. Nimbus School of Education has taught us the spirit of unity. I remember I was the most naughty student of our batch. Among all, I was the one who was doing micro teaching of others to create memories and to give laughter therapy to my friends. And I really apologize for that. I have a lot of memories in this college: educational tours, amusing trips, dancing together, making fun of one another, celebrating festivals together, crying in the farewell party of our beloved professors. If a performer starts crying in between the performance, then everyone encouraging the performer and starts singing with the performer. Our batch is amazing, divided by small fights, united by festivals, programs, performances, celebrations, parties, etc. Such is my memory with this college, and I will always remember this beautiful journey with Nimbus School of Education. Thank you.